Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get algebraic calculator in your Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application named as CalcPad by Tekagen. Just search this application name and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its website. So below you can see a download options. So here you can see the first option is now installed and below option is the preview version. I highly recommend to download the first one, that is the 1.14 version. So just click on it to download this applications. So let me download it firstly. Wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So since it's a zip file, just double click it to extract the file. Now you can see a folder. Just open it. So here you will see a tons of files, right? So here you can see CalcPad. This is the main applications. You can either run it as administrator or you can just double click it to run this applications. So finally you can see this kind of user interface, right? So let me enlarge it so that you can see it properly. So you can see here it looks almost like a notepad, right? So you don't see any calculator here. So how you can calculate here, right? So I'll just give you a demo. Say I'll just do some algebraic equations. So I'll just put x equal to 4, right? And I'll just make one equations like x. So you want to put a square here, right? So just right click on the blank area and you can see here superscripts. This you can choose this 2 if you want 2, if you want 0, 9, whatever you want. I will just put a 2 and I'll just add a plus, and now I'll add again like 4x. Now I'll just add again like plus, and now what I will do, I'll just give a bracket x and I'll just give a superscript 2, that is a power 2, and I'll just put a value equal to symbol. So you can see it's already showing me the total calculations here, 48. So if you feed a 4 here, let us try to do a calculations ourselves. If we put a x equal to 4, that is the 4, 16, right? So here also it's 16, that is right now it's 32, right? Again, if we put here 16, then 32 into 6, 32 plus 6, 16 equal to 48, right? So it's giving us the final answer. So this is how you can do algebraic calculations using this application named as CalcPad. So if you never known about this very useful applications, then definitely you should try it out, and it has a ton of options. You can do lots of different calculations like percentage, equations, sine wave, graphing calculator. So there are tons of equations like even periodic table, maths, physics. So if you are science students or math students, then it will be a very useful for you. So definitely a very useful software that you should try it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.